Hello and welcome to this Technic-Force tutorial. In this video we're going to discuss how to add your Amazon Web Services to Vidscribe. If you've been using Vidscribe and started encountering limitations to translations, transcriptions, and voiceover, it may be time to add your own Amazon Web Services credentials to Vidscribe. To do so, go to the left sidebar and click on Settings, or scroll down in the dashboard and click on the Settings icon. This opens the Vidscribe application settings page, and here you can select the tab that says Unlock Limits for Amazon AWS. By default, Vidscribe gives you full functionality, but with some limitations. To overcome these limitations, deselect the checkbox. This will allow us to remove all transcription, translation, and voiceover limitations. We just have to add our own Amazon Web Services account details in the boxes below. So what we'll need is an access key ID, a secret access key, and a region endpoint. If we don't already have an AWS account, you can see this tutorial for support. To get your credentials, first you'll have to go to AWS. The easy way to do that is to Google AWS for Amazon Web Services, and then click the link. Then sign in to the console. From the login page, enter your user email address using root user access, and then click Next. Then enter your password and sign in. This logs you into the AWS Management Console. Up in the top menu bar, select the drop-down button and select My Security Credentials. In the left-hand sidebar, under Identity and Access Management, select Groups. And then from here, we can click the Create New Group button. We'll give our group a name. We'll call this one Vidscribe. And select Next. Now we have to attach a few policies. The first policy we want to attach is called Translate. And the one that we're looking for is called Full Access. The next policy we want to attach is called Transcribe. And again, we want to attach full access. The next policy we want to attach is called Poly. And again, we want to attach full access. And the final policy we want to attach is called S3. And again, we want to attach full access. Now that we've selected our four policies, let's click the next step. Here we can review the policies that we've attached: Translate full access, Transcribe full access, Poly full access, and S3 full access. If you've missed any, just edit the policies to add more. Otherwise, you can go ahead and create the group. Now that we have a group created, let's go back to the top drop-down menu and head back to My Security Credentials. And under the tab that says Access Keys and Secret Access Key, let's click this twirl down button, and then click the button that says Create New Access Key. This creates an access key ID and secret access key, and we can download the key file to save for future use, or we can just display the access key here. So let's highlight the access key. Then we'll head back to Vidscribe and we'll paste our access key into the proper field. Next, we need the secret access key. So we'll go back to AWS and copy this secret access key and head back to Vidscribe and paste in our secret access key. And then we'll need to select our region endpoint and head back to AWS and take a look at your browser's address bar. Within the AWS URL, you'll see a region listed. Here, we're listed as region US East number 2. So let's head back to Vidscribe, and from the region endpoint, we will select US East number 2. And then click Save. If you get an error, double check your codes to make sure that you didn't accidentally include any spaces, as the case is here. So we'll remove that. And again, we included a space here. So now with that corrected and that corrected, we should be able to save our credentials. Next, we're asked for our Amazon S3 account bucket name. This is where Amazon will store data that we upload. Let's call our bucket name Vidscribe Tutorial 1. and save. And that's all there is to it. We've now removed all transcription, translation, and voiceover limits from Vidscribe and transferred it to our own AWS account. For further assistance, please visit technicforce.com/support. I hope you found this video useful. Thanks very much for watching.